Hi all, this is Bhuvi with Daily Habits, and today we are going to see a very delicious eggplant curry. So let's get into the recipe. Here I am soaking around a lemon sized tamarind into water. Keep it aside for half an hour. I am heating a pan to fry a few ingredients to make a masala paste for this recipe. The pan is hot and ready. I'm adding a spoonful of wood pressed sesame oil for frying. The sesame oil gives nice aroma and taste to this recipe and will lift this recipe to next level. I always prefer to use wood pressed oils in my cooking. Now the oil is hot. To this add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 4 red chilies and a half tablespoon of Bengal gram. Fry them until the Bengal grams turns brown and crispy. After this, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds and peppercorns. Next to this, add 10 shallots and few curry leaves for frying. Fry them until the onion turns translucent and keep it aside to let them cool. Take the eggplants and cut the stem and cut it into an egg shape in the middle. I cut out all the eggplants like this and kept it in the water. The masalas are cool enough for grinding. I am adding 2 tomatoes to the ingredients and transferring them all to a mixie jar for grinding. Meanwhile, fry the eggplants on a pan with some oil and close it with the lid. Preparations are completed. Now keep a kadai on the stove to make the curry. The kadai is hot. Add 2 tablespoons of wood pressed sesame oil. The oil is hot. Now add mustard and asafoetida for tempering. Next to this, add shallots and curry leaves. Fry them for a few minutes. After this, add the masala paste directly to the oil and fry until the oil comes out from the masala. As we have added the raw tomatoes for grinding, it needs to be fried until the raw smell of tomatoes goes off. Meanwhile, check the eggplants. Add required salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and fry them. Now add the fried eggplants to the curry and cook for few minutes. Pour the tamarind extract and let it open cook for another 5 minutes until the oil comes out. The yummy and tasty eggplant curry is ready. Try this at your home and give your comments below. Also consider subscribing to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.